So check this out. Listen, it's Friday, y'all, and it is Freaky Friday. This is really freaking me out, straight up. So pay attention, listen up, and y'all tell me what y'all think about this. In fact, if you watching live, please comment. If you watching the replay, please just smash the replay button. Say, hey, replay. Anyway, listen. This is absolutely freaking me out. And I say sellers or anybody that's thinking about selling their house, please listen up. Please listen to me because this is very important. So, you know, everybody know real estate is just bananas right now. It's a lot of freaking buyers. A lot of buyers, not enough sellers. So, you know, anytime you're selling a house right now, you're going to have 5, 10, 15 offers, right? But these freaking offers that I'm getting, that I'm receiving for my client on his townhome, I'm just shocked. I'm confused because I'm very specific in my listing description when I say conventional only, and I'm seeing people sending me offers this FHA financing, which is freaking me out. That's the first thing. But two, you got real estate agents out here working with buyers that's not even qualified in this crazy real estate market. So if you're selling your house, you be mindful, one, of the agent that you're working with, because every offer you get may be good, it may seem like a good offer, but it's not necessarily a good offer. So check this out. I just received 7 offers on this townhouse. 7. Right? So I know that just because a person sends over a pre-qualification letter doesn't necessarily mean that they're pre-approved, or even if they even sent in bank statements, W-2s, anything. They just really all they done is, you know, just filled out an application. The lender pulled their credit and they got over 620. But that don't necessarily mean that they're qualified to buy your townhouse. So here's what I'm finding. So I'm like, okay, let me call not only the real estate agent to see what's going on with their buyer. Let me call the loan officer. So I call loan officers, and here's what I'm finding out. I'm saying, okay, I'm just calling to check in on your particular client who's trying to buy my townhome. 1, are they pre-approved? 2, have they freaking turned in their documentations? Most of them say, no, they haven't turned in anything yet, but they good from a credit standpoint. I'm seeing people now, I'm asking them, well, are they gonna be okay to buy this house with the HOA being $200 a month, right? Because the HOA is $215 a month, right? So a lot of times you have buyers that they're right there on the cuff of necessarily being approved, but depending on what the HOA is, it may throw their debt to income off, and now they can't buy the house. So instead of the real estate agent who's representing the buyer reaching out to the loan officer and saying, hey, this house is $300,000, the HOA is $200 a month, can they qualify? They just send over offers, and basically they're gonna tie your property up for 7, 10 days, and all of a sudden, 5, 7 days later, you're gonna get an email saying, hey, they don't qualify, the HOA is too much, and unfortunately, they can't get approved for the house, right? This is what I'm finding. I called 7 loan officers, and out of those 7, 5 of the buyers don't qualify. What the, you know what I'm saying? Like, why are you wasting time? Real estate agents, don't even write a contract for your clients if they're not approved. Verify, are they still approved for $200,000, whatever it is, that amount, with the additional HOA amount? Because sometimes that HOA can throw their debt to income ratio out of whack, and they're no longer approved for the home. So now you done wasted their time. 1, showing them a house that they're super excited about. 2, God forbid the seller agent accepts your offer, and then you terminate, and now he has to go back to his seller and say, unfortunately, their financing fell through. Listen, this shit is freaking me out. Freaking me out. You know what I mean? If you need a good loan officer, check out my peoples over there at Guaranteed Home Loans. In fact, if you got a listing, check them. Require that they pre-approve your all the buyers that come in. But I had to share this because I couldn't believe it, man. I got all these offers that came in, and like 5 of them don't even qualify. God, man, thank God I called the loan officers to really vet these buyers, because my client literally would have wasted time, house would have been under contract, and the buyer would have terminated and wasted my time. My seller would have probably ended up making less money, because the longer the house is on the market, the less money you go make at the end of the day. Listen, you're a home seller, please avoid that. In fact, ask your real estate agent that's representing you, hey, did you call these freaking loan officers to really verify that they are pre-approved, not pre-qualified? They didn't just fill out an application. Are they pre-approved? Did they turn bank statements in, W-2s? Vet them. Shit freaking me out. Anyway, that being said, listen, you're thinking about selling your home, and you need good representation, somebody who's going to work on your behalf, somebody who's going to vet these buyers. Just because you're getting asking price, you getting $10,000 over asking price, and you think it's good, that don't necessarily mean it's good. You need a professional, Mr. Seller, somebody who really knows what they're doing, somebody who's going to work on your behalf, and who's going to take a couple hours to vet all these potential buyers, because what seems good ain't always good. That being said, reach out to me, 404-664-7190, and ask about our worry-free listing. We have a worry-free listing program. We have a flexible commission program. Listen, we guarantee you're going to make more money working with us than any other agent out here. Jacob Scott Home Selling Team, that being said, God bless you. Have a great day.